Hello.
Yes, got it. What is meant by a tuple? Tuple is a sequence of immutable objects. It's a sequence of immutable objects.
So we
Immutable in
so
the
we
sense,
think tuples are mostly used for the database.
yes, yes, yes. It's a sequence of immutable objects. Immutable objects in the sense, if you declare or define or initialize any object as a tuple, you can't able to change it.
Mm.
Clear? And then tuples are defining like this in parentheses. Tuples are
Mm.
defining in, we can define a tuple by using parentheses. And then example that is empty string is, empty tuple is a equal to parentheses. Right? Now we'll see the examples again. Now I'm giving a equal to empty, right? The type of a. What is the type of a? Now tuple.
Tuple.
Why? Because you are declaring or
Declaring
defining an object by
with
using
parentheses.
parentheses. So it's a tuple. Now I want to check it. What are the different constructors and methods present for the tuple? So I'm giving a directory of a, that is dir of a. It displays all the constructors and methods like a list, right? And then what are the different methods is count and index. Count and
Indeed.
index. Now we'll see the example again. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 is the example. Now I'm printing a. A is it's printing a tuple. Clear?
Mm.
That is an example, a basic example. And then one more thing is, what are the different ways to store a data in a tuple? We can give a heterogeneous data items. Heterogeneous in a sense, you can give
Mm.
multiple data items, multiple type of data items. It's a character type, this to one. It is a integer type. It's a float type. It's a string type.
Mm.
Clear?
So even you can print a even in the list, right? Anything.
Yes, yes, yes. But list you can able to change it, but here you can't able to change it.
Mm.
Yeah, that is the only difference. In list, what happened? You can able to insert a data, or you can able to append a data, and you can able to delete a particular data. But
So
here, it's
so
not possible.
so suppose if T1 is equal to T1 plus T2 class. So if I need to copy from T1 and T2, so I can create a T3 object. I need to declare T1 is equal to T2,
Yes, yes.
and then no. Then if I add some values in T3, then it should be added for T1 and T2 in the third object.
Third object. Then what you have to do? You have to declare T4, and then you need to add like T3 and
Okay,
T5.
okay. Anything goes from the upper
Yes, yes, yes.
up.
Clear?
So how about if I want to change the index value, like in the 10th position, I need to keep 8,
No, no,
something like that. No, we
no.
can't.
That's what it's an immutable object.
So we not remodify
Yes, yes.
the
You can't modify.
integer.
Yes, you can't modify it. And then here one more thing is that in tuple you can define a list also, list and then tuple, inside tuples and lists also, like a list,
Mm,
right? You can
mm,
define a list and tuples. Clear? Now here
mm.
we can't able to traverse also. Why? Because if you want to traverse, then what happens? Let's see. Tuple I'm giving LL is a tuple, right? I'm giving the values like 2. Then it displays the second value. Clear? 0, 1, 2. Same by using list syntaxes, you can access tuples also.
Mm.
Right? Syntax is same. Why? Because you are getting a particular index value. Index is 2 here, and then 0, 1, 2. That the value of 2 is 6. Clear? right. And then now if you want to add a two lists, then what happen? Just you have to mention a T1 plus T2. I mean tuple 1 and tuple 2 equal to tuple 4. Means tuple 1 contains the data like this one, and then tuple 2 contains A comma B, and then now the tuple 4 contains the data AB 123 4.4 lucky comma AB. Clear? Now the T5 is T2 into 2, means that T2 contains the value A comma B. Now the T2 I am repeating into two times, that is AB and AB. Got it?
Mm.
Yes. Now I want to delete a particular object or a particular data in a tuple. It's not possible. You can able to delete whole the tuple. That is delete of T5. Right? Hello. Yes.
Mm.
Now what is count? Now count is nothing but if you give any value in the count, that particular value how many times repeated in a particular tuple, that count it displays. Here, for example, T1 consists of 1, 2, 3, 4 items, and then I'm giving count of 1. The 1 is repeating only one time. Now it's print 1. Right? Now, if you want to
Yeah.
get an index value, then you can give directly index of 3. Index of 3 in the
Mm.
sense 0, 1, 2. Index of 3, the third value. Third 3 is the value here. The
Mm.
index is 2.
Mm.
Right?
Mm.
Clear?
Mm.
Now, what is the sequence conversion in tuple? Sequence conversion in sense, if you have a string or if you have a list, you can convert into tuple by using tuple function and tuple method. How? Now I'm declaring and defining a data in a string format, that is lucky, right? And then I'm converting
Mm.
by using tuple of str,
Mm.
right? Then I'm printing that it converts automatically to the tuple,
Mm.
right? Clear?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Now I'm giving a list of data, and then the list also converted to the tuple directly by using tuple method. Right? You can able to give or you can able to provide a direct data in the tuple function also. Right? That is the functions or operations we are using in tuple. And then what are the main advantages in tuple in the sense? Processing of tuples are faster than lists. Processing of tuples are faster than list. Why? Because in list consists of it's a mutable object. Mutable object in the sense if you add any data, the ID remains same. ID remains same, and then you can able to add the data continuously. Then what happens if two numbers is there? Then you can able to traverse very easily or process very easily. But if you add n number of items, then the processing of list is becomes very slow. Clear? But here in the tuple, what happen? If you declare anything, it fixed. That's it. How many times you are processing? Only particular data only you can give. You can traverse a particular data items only. Right? Now the next one is it makes data safe as tuples are immutable. Why? Because it can't be changed.
Mm.
Right? But in list, what happen? If you provide any data in list, if you know the index value, you can able to change a particular index value also. But in tuple, you can't able to change it, so it's a safe, right?
Mm.
And then tuples are used for string formatting. String formatting in a sense, for example, if you provide any string value you can't maximum you can't change.
Mm.
But if you provide a numeric value, then what happened? 2 plus 2 equal to 4. It will change. But you can't able to perform the operations like L plus 2 equal to something. Got it?
mm,
So tuples are mainly used for string formatting. The best
mm,
example is database configuration.
mm,
Clear, Lucky?
mm. Yeah.